Offshore wind farms are an important future energy source. Seatower Cranefree gravity makes the exploitation of this energy source cheaper and more efficient, for the benefit of the energy industry and for consumers. Seatower foundations are mass-produced on land, where they're built up out of concrete in a construction which means that the foundation can float. Without the use of cranes, they're pushed out into the water and sailed out using ordinary tugs to their destination at sea, where they're installed quickly and simply and without the use of heavy-lift offshore cranes. It's all about cost-effectiveness and flexibility, about lower energy prices. And it's about flexibility and many local jobs, simple and efficient mass production, simple and fast installation offshore, sustainability in relation to the environment and sea habitat. In coming years, a very large number of offshore wind turbine foundations will be needed. Installations with traditional steel constructions have been characterized by high costs and demanding and complicated processes. Seatower Cranefree gravity is mass-produced simply, flexibly and cost-effectively. Without the use of large cranes in the process, without large factories, without long transport routes, and they're produced where they're needed, by the local workforce. Seatower Cranefree gravity requires only some land by a quay and local labour. This first sea tower foundation was placed in the English Channel off Fécamp, a few miles from Le Havre. It was built up here, from the ground up here, on site, using a local workforce. It's built up in concrete, in a construction that ensures that the foundation can float. And finally, in the construction process, the tower is added, which the wind turbine is attached to. Then it's ready to be loaded out into the water and to be towed to its destination. For this prototype, this is done using cranes. In mass production, this process will be continuous, as shown in this animation. The significant cost savings with Seatower Cranefree gravity will be achieved with a less expensive choice of materials and with a simple handling of the foundations, both in the production process and in the following fast and uncomplicated transport and installation offshore. The Seatower foundation is accurately positioned in the sea, it's lowered to the seabed by water ballasting, without the use of heavy lift offshore cranes. Finally, the foundation is filled with sand, displacing the water, and the installation is complete. without marine life being frightened by noise or the sand dredging process. It's all about cost saving, flexibility, sustainability, and efficiency.